Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com. Eitada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Orlando Pirates 2. Puthi unjani?
Kunjani awuthami?
Sharp, thanks.
Ngimnandi.
Hey, ngiyakubona.
Incredible. Indaba manje yazi HIV baba.
Yeah.
First 15 minutes iChiefs kune plan bebanalo ngo Lollipop. Badlala iroute 1 bamnika amabhola. And it's 7-0. Ukhehle uMakhawula beyangekho game. So first goal yangena ngithola. But I ask myself ukuthi icoach eKaizer Chiefs mayifaka uLollipop ayimniki phela uLollipop iplayer njani eliranayo ngithi so kufanele kumnika umuntu ozomphasa amabhola so ucela I wonder why amfake second half because le plan yakhe ngaba faka ucela eqala bezosebenza because why amabhola loose ball la yasesiswini bekazokwazi ukwakholeka awanika uLollipop then noma baswiper aya side bekuzovuleka la isuswini you understand so iPirates ibonile lo lentuzana bayirectify ngespeed but overall mina I think uNabi Kaizer Chiefs yamhlula that's my honest opinion because ama player amanye mawafaka and each game mawungabheka for the past season ulibulufaka ama player inconsistently because manje each game akafaka ngathi uyatesta and you cannot test ngamanye ama game game ye Sundowns iChiefs la ngicela abantu bangangilumi iChiefs iwine ngelakhi you understand I mistake ka lentuzana I mistake ka left back lentuzana then waba ne offside
Suarez.
I think that game should have said to the players gents, this is an opportunity for us now to build from what we've now. We are going to the final. But don't forget, Sinama game asele. Ekumele siwadlale for e-league. You understand?
Top 8.
They were rested. Ngazi mina amachita bewahleli iviki lonke. iPirates idlala every 3 days iPirates iyadlala. Izozidlala until i-season iphele. What were the players the Kaizer Chiefs doing?
Exactly.
One, you need to be doing analysis yourselves as a player. Fitness so that ngoba iChiefs uyibheke second half ayikho and now you ask yourself ukuthi labantu laba kahlahle ejimini what are they doing? You understand? As criticize ngoba sfavor iPirates but for a brand like that abane facility efana nale amachita bekumele ngabe athi no bafethu njoma laba abadlala sina respect asiyospanana bafethu senza ama video analysis sibukeleni simameleni coach ukuthi uthini and then bakhona ukuthi mabafika today they were supposed to be all over Orlando Pirates. Pirates mayicala 15 minutes if uyibonile uyibona ukuthi laba bakhathele but njengomuntu omkhuluma shilo ovdlulile Pirates ine maturity
we need mentality
baba ne maturity bahlakaniphile icoacha Pirates mawufuna ukubona izodlala kanjani ubona nge-first line up you understand and uHoto njengoba bamsusa le bamise emuva it's not ukuthi ufavor Hoto uyazi ukuthi une i-game plan yakhe is around uHoto ngesikhathi esibhaya and ama opponent abayiboni lento leyo makazofaka uDlamini uswapha i-game from ama wing to esuswini because manje sikhiphe umuntu omakayo so what do you expect
and khiphe ulento zoMarco
yes umuntu okwazi ukukhuphuka so siphusha uRenzo Hoto simphushele emuva then sivula igap la esuswini so that's where iChiefs should have been smart and so labantu laba they
ucela immediately
then ucela manje what is going to do is changing the game uya kubo mara ngoba lo muntu une composure ucela umnandi uyakwazi ukucabanga uyakwazi ukuphasa unama moments uyakwazi ukudlala ngama moments egaming because he's a brilliant player so now if I'm a coach mina mangibheka kanje ngiyazi ngiyodlala nePirates and I know ukuthi labantu laba they are fatigued why don't I put this a player ezoyenza ezoya kubo because nala imove Pirates phela bisele ngoxoki isele ngombokazi so manje sinjani si-thin bro
and ngibonile uLilepo sorukada uLilepo he was not getting the balls enough
he's
tried to
that's why ngithi mina mangibona iline up yabo ngibona babekulilepo phambili ngabheka esiswini ukuthi manje esiswini ubani ozophasa letho
and inkinga
irana lo muntu
uPule Modi can't even pass he will run
uphela ulentuzana uhaga inentuzana line. So his job is to hug the line, adonse either 2 or 1 defender. Bese square ball. Maka square ball liyomele uthole bani? Mele uthole ulilepo. Ulilepo manje bamenzini. Umbokazi ngoba is a brilliant young man. Bekamfaka ebhodleleni. The only goal unentuzana ayitholile ile mistake because uMakhawula uyoshelelile bathatha ibhola baliphasa washaya igoli. So mina into engiyibonile and it's not to say, and I've said it before, uNabi coach Nabi Chiefs yamhlula mina ngicela hayi ukuthi ngithi bamgcuzo or something mabamlethele local coach ezohlala naye like say if angeke ahamba ngithi because noma na ucho how many coaches are going to come and go a lot and Chiefs azimisela ngokuthenga ama player they're always waiting for ama freebie umuntu uyabona so if umguy local coach ezokwazi ukumncedisa naku analysis akukhulumene nentwana lezi because umdu ushabalala even yazi njengoba bekadlala no lentwana le bekadlala nobani konje suswini lo number 12
ushabalala
noNgcobo I asked myself ukuthi okay ile combination ayenza ithini no Sirino and manje uSirino naye phela hayi mangibona nini ule phambili and akamakho uSirino uya maka ibhola mabeluze uya
even last touch yakhe
yeah and then unjani une-enga ulwa nabo referee ulwa nama player ushaya bona ushaya phansi wenzani so lento le iconfuse even nentuzana nebench yabo ngoba ibench yabo nayo ithanda ukwenzani ithanda ukulibela ilo nabo iPirates enzani ithulile babhekile sithatha ibhola sihamba sifaka netini but anyway hard luck
congratulations
next week isobona wenzakala
thanks man